How to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro CC free tutorial. Drag your audio or your video file onto the timeline below. Select your video clip by highlighting it or the audio piece. Now go to Effects Control panel on the top left hand screen. Type in hard limiter. Drag it onto your audio clip. Type in bass. Then now drag that onto the track. And then type in treble and do the exact same thing. Go underneath the Effects Control panel and then now you want to scroll down. And underneath bass right here, 5 decibels, and then treble, 11 decibels. You can even mess around with these settings like so, but this is where the magic is going to work. And then now underneath the hard limiter, you want to click here, the edit button. Underneath the maximum amplitude, make this to -5 or drag it to the right, so when we increase the volume,
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States?
and this is the after.
Are you ready? How many cases were in the United States when I did my band? How many people had died?